Match the following. Summer. What we use in summer? Do we use sweater? No. We use umbrella? No. Yes, we use t-shirt in summer. Winter. What we use in winter? Yes, we use sweater in winter. Rainy season. What we use in rainy season? Do you remember? Yes, we use umbrella in rainy season. So, in summer, we use t-shirt. In winter, we use sweater. And in rainy season, we use umbrella. Arrange the things we use according to the season. Arrange the following items according to the season. Umbrella. In which season we use umbrella? Summer. No. We use umbrella in rainy season. Cap. In which season we use cap? Yes, in summer we use cap. Woolen gloves. When we use woolen gloves? Yes, in winter we use woolen gloves. Raincoat. When we use raincoat? Remember I told you? Yes, in rainy season we use raincoat. Sweater. When we use sweater? In summer we use sweater? No, in winter we use sweater. Cotton shirt. When we use cotton shirt? Yes, in summer we use cotton shirt. Gumboots. In which season do we use gumboots? Yes, in rainy season we use gumboots. Cotton frock. When we use cotton frock? In winter we use cotton frock? No, in summer we use cotton frock. Woolen socks. In which season we use woolen socks? Yes, in winter we use woolen socks. So now let us recap all the things. In summer we use cap, cotton shirt and cotton frock. In winter we use woolen gloves, sweater and woolen socks. In rainy season we use umbrella, raincoat and gumboots. Friends, now I am going to show you some things and you have to identify the things. So tell me, what is this? Tell me fast. Yes, this is woolen cap. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is cotton frock. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is sweater. Now tell me, what is this? Come on fast. I have shown you earlier. Yes, you are right. This is night suit. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, these are woolen socks. Now tell me, what is this? Come on fast. I have shown you earlier. Yes, you are right. This is shorts. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is t-shirt. Now tell me, what is this? Do you remember? Winter season? Yes, you are right. This is monkey cap. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is skirt. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is cap. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is trouser. And now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is umbrella.